Welcome to Spirit Shack. Just want to show you one of our products called the Aztek Death Whistle. So basically it's a whistle made from plastic with 3D printing. So this is basically a replica of the ancient Aztec death whistle. So these whistles were found buried with the Aztecs. Not all of them, I don't think, but some of them. There is quite a few theories as to why one of these whistles was buried with him. But one of the main theories is this was used to summon the dead, summon the spirits of the dead. So since you can't actually get hold of an original Aztec whistle, because they're pretty much priceless, we have 3D injection molded versions. So basically the internals of the whistle is quite unique in how it's designed. Obviously got the blowholes for the top, and you've got another two areas with holes in, and it's got a very unique sound because of this design, and it sounds like shrieking. It almost sounds like someone's been murdered. So I'm going to blow it and give you an example, but there is people that have used these that have got it to sound better just because they've blown at a different angle or blown with a different intensity. But I have tried this on some investigations myself. Might just be coincidence, or it might actually work, or it might just be the intent of using it, but it has actually increased activity. And I've seen other teams that have used it with their similar results as well. So yep, I'll give it a blow so you can hear it. I've noticed if you blow that way, it's got a slightly different sound than if you blow that way, and also you blow that way, so I'll do all three, just to give an example. That wasn't the best one. Turn it around. Ah, that were better. Right, last one. Yeah, so that's the sound. I don't know how loud it sounds on camera, but I mean it's hurt my own ears, so it is pretty loud. And obviously depends on how hard you blow it as well. Yes, thanks for watching. I'll leave the links in the description to buy the products.